Okay guys, ever wanted a way to share your brand's values or principles in a clean, structured list without a boring wall of text? Well, this section keeps it organized and easy to scan. Today we're adding this text block section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link, this takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Text Blocks number 2. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Value Section and choose that section. It will be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. First, let's make sure this section matches exactly what was shown in the demo. There are 3 different layout options here, and you can use whichever one you like. I'll go with the first layout for now. Below that is the left column width, which I'll adjust based on my own preference. Right below that is the right side heading text. I'll change this to importance, which is basically a synonym for value, and I'll also update its color. Along with that, you'll find font size and margin settings too. I'll increase the size a bit since this is essentially a title. Right below that, there's a font style option too. I'll replace this with pop-ins, just like I do with every section. After that, you've got the heading text along with a few more settings you can adjust if you'd like. I'll just make the heading semi-bold for now. Below that, on the left side, there are the numbers. I'll change their color to blue and switch the font family to pop-ins too. Once you're done with this part, it'll scroll you back up to the top. So just scroll down again to continue. Lastly, you'll find section size, spacing, margin, and section colors, which I'll adjust based on my own preference as well. Now let's close this and click on any SK value item. Its settings open up on the left side too. Here you can change its heading text, description, and number, though honestly, I don't think that's really needed right now. There's also an option to add an image and icon, but that's only available for layout 2, so I can't use that one right now. Once you're done with all that, hit save and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.